What's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max to make sure that it is real and not fake. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be giving you 5 ways so that you can check to make sure that your iPhone is real and not fake. Let's start with method number 1. So the first way you could check that your iPhone is real and not a fake is to make sure that it has all of the standard Apple apps that new iPhones come with. So Apple iPhones come with Apple TV app, it comes with the Apple App Store, comes with Fitness app, the Apple Watch app, Podcasts, the Find My app, and the Apple Home app, and also the iTunes Store. So it's good to make sure that all of these apps are on the phone. That's one way to check that it is a real iPhone. The second way to check is by logging into the iCloud on the iPhone or to the App Store. So let's go to the App Store. Okay, once you're in the App Store, you're going to want to select the icon over here at the top. Okay, and you're going to want to make sure that there is no account on the phone, because if there is, you're going to have that other person remove it. So you're going to want to make sure that you're able to log in with your Apple account. So sign in with Apple account, go ahead and enter your email and password, and log in to the App Store to download apps. So the third method to check that your iPhone is real is with Siri. So all iPhones bring Siri. The power lock button here is now the Siri button. So if you press and hold it, Siri should come up automatically like this, unless if Siri is turned off, but it comes standard with this button being the Siri button now. Okay, so moving on to the next way you could check, and the next way you could check it is by checking the IMEI of your iPhone. So you can enter the phone dial pad here and dial *#06#, and it's going to give you some information on your phone. You're going to have some IMEIs. We're going to use the first IMEI. Okay, we're going to go on this website here, which I'll have linked down below. Okay, so it's this website right here. This is where we're going to enter that IMEI. So let's go ahead and enter it in. Okay, once it's completely typed in, hit check IMEI. Give it a few seconds for it to process. And there we go. The results came up. So the IMEI does show that it is a real iPhone, as you can see here. And if we scroll down, it gives us some more basic info about the iPhone. So there you go. That's another way to check the authenticity of your iPhone. So moving on to method number 5, and that is to check the serial number of your Apple iPhone. So you can find that by going into settings. Here in settings, go to general and go to about. Okay, here is where you will have your serial number. The serial number, we're going to check it on a different website, which will also be linked down below. Okay, and it's checkcoverage.apple.com. So this is a Apple website, so it's not going to get any better than this. So here's where we're going to type in that serial number. Okay, once you have it fully typed in, we got to type in that CAPTCHA code. Once you're ready, hit submit, and there you go. It's going to give you the results. It's going to let you know which iPhone it is. So as you can see here, it even tells you the purchase date and how many days you have left to add Apple coverage, and also your warranty. So this one has a limited warranty until October 5, 2026. All right, everyone, so there you go. That is how you check that your iPhone 17 Pro Max is real and not fake. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. And also, if you want to check out our 45-watt super fast chargers, which charge your phone 3 times as fast as regular chargers, check out the links down below in the description. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.